Education Director, Mrs. Queen Soa. My old man, lawyer, and outspoken man, all protocol observed. Nana, staff, invited guests, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Permit me to take this opportunity to congratulate my old man, Mr. Boafo, on his new position as the headmaster of our school. I just say our school, simply because part of the land belongs to Oda Nkwantahene. My paramount chief and my elders collaborated to donate this particular land below tribe to Odasco Secondary School. Formerly, it was called Kotoku Secondary School, but now it's Odasco Secondary School. But I'm not that proud. Mr. Boafo, I know you have worked hard to reach this point, and I am so happy that you have been recognized for your accomplishment with this new assignment. It is well deserved. Nkwantahene is proud of you today. And as a local and custodian of the land, the proudness comes to me first for the school. I am so proud that during my reign for about 53 years at Oda Nkwantahene, I have obtained an intelligent and serviceable headmaster in the history of our reign. I thank you very much. Your assertion is an inspiration to everyone in our community that hard work and discipline pay. I hope and pray that your leadership will motivate your staff, teaching and non-teaching, to become more productive and actively and positively affect student learning. I wish you success in your new position. May the seas ahead be smooth. Thank you.